Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear headlight bulb, the indicator light, this orange one. It's pretty easy. Let's get started. Take a screwdriver, pry here gently, I said, just clips here and it's out. We clean a little bit. Look at this, man. Now we need to push here and push to this direction. So I got it out. You need to gently remove it. You got these pegs here, so be very gentle with it. So a useful tip, if you have trouble to remove it, after we remove the bulb, the two screws, here very gently, you pry very gently with one hand and you try to push it to this direction, but very gently. So in my case, I need to replace the yellow bulb. You go over here. I got this connector and you twist it off. Twist. Then you take your bulb. With one hand it's pretty hard, but you stick it in and twist. So the new bulb is in place. So it's in and half a twist. Now we test it. In my case it's pretty easy. I just need to lock the car, open it, and it's working. So I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys like always in the next video.